Are you looking for a travel trailer that blends off-grid readiness with luxury and style that is truly a home away from home? New from MDC USA, the XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme is your ultimate adventure companion. The XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme Travel Trailer is an incredible fusion of rugged durability and luxurious home-style comforts. And with the convertible L-shaped lounge, it's suitable for up to 3 people. Designed in Australia and built to withstand the harshest conditions, the XT19HRT is your ticket to embracing the great outdoors with the utmost confidence. And now, with an updated Renogy electronics package and cold weather protection exclusive to the Off-Grid Extreme range, you can now escape for even longer. Let's take a look around at all the features of this flagship travel trailer from MDC USA. As I said, this trailer is designed in Australia for off-grid camping year-round, and it really brings the toughness of the Aussie outback and combines it with the comfort and style you'd expect from a modern travel trailer. Before we dive in too deep, I want to point out that everything you're about to see in this video comes standard. There's no hidden costs or additions. What you see is what you get. So when you're heading off-grid, you want that confidence that not only are you going to arrive at your campsite, but you're going to make it home as well. That's why safety and durability are a big priority for us at MDC USA. We've spent years testing and developing our products in the harshest environments, and we put all that knowledge and experience into everything we do. Keeping the trailer steady on the road is the Tucson electronic stability control, which will engage the electric brakes on each side of the trailer as needed, increasing stability and confidence when towing. When you're off-road, the system automatically enters sleep mode and leaves you with the tried and tested independent coil spring suspension, perfect for overlanding. This kind of independent suspension isn't normally found in travel trailers in the United States, and it's one of those features that really sets us apart from the rest. The XT19HRT has been specifically designed for the overlanding experience, so we've equipped it with a Cruisemaster DO35 tow hitch for excellent approach and departure angles, an ARC XO 750 jockey wheel, mud terrain tyres, 12-inch electric brakes, and of course, that independent suspension. This trailer really is designed and built as an overlanding machine. While we're here at the front, let's take a look at this massive 3-bay utility box which stores 2 20-pound propane cylinders, 2 5-gallon jerry cans, and plenty of other storage for your camping supplies. For even more safety behind the trailer, we've included a digital wireless rear view camera. There's nothing to install in the tow vehicle, just mount the 7-inch monitor with the included suction cap and you'll be able to easily reverse into camp. The camera can also be used as a rear view mirror when driving by simply turning on your car's headlights. There's also a ladder on the back, giving you easy access to the roof to clean off the solar panels or perform any maintenance. Alright, let's go inside and check out the main features that set this trailer apart from the rest of the range. One of the major upgrades in the Off-Grid Extreme range is the cutting-edge Renogy power system. This isn't your grandma's electronics package, this completely redefines off-grid living. The XT19HRT comes with 800 amp hours of lithium battery power, an insane 1,225 watts of rooftop solar, and a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. The new Renogy charge controllers take care of delivering solar power and power from the tow vehicle at up to a massive combined 110 amps, efficiently charging your batteries while you're driving or parked up at camp under the sun. With the extra Anderson inlet ports on the outside of the trailer, you can even add up to an extra 600 watts of regulated solar panels. Behind all the technical jargon, what that means for you is that you can comfortably run the appliances you'd bring from home without stressing about running the batteries dead every day. The biggest advantage of the new Renogy system, along with the 3,000 watt inverter, is that you can run the air conditioner off-grid without being plugged into any external power like a generator or mains power. This is an absolute game changer for getting away in those summer months. With all this power on hand, you need a way to manage it. Just connect your smartphone to the system and use the Renogy app to monitor battery levels, change settings, and get alerts if the batteries start to run low. XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme Trailer has been designed for all climates, and while we aren't exactly known for our snow down under, the climate is definitely a bit more harsh here in the States. Building a trailer that can handle all the elements involves innovative design. Right here is where you connect your mains water and fill your freshwater tanks. Now, on previous models, this panel was set on the outside of the trailer where it was susceptible to the freezing cold temperatures of winter. Now that we've recessed the whole panel, it's nice and protected behind our triple sealed doors. It's also heated by the ducting of the Truma VarioHeat furnace inside the trailer, so you never have to worry about your water freezing, which is one of the biggest issues when in colder climates with the travel trailer. So not only have we recessed the fill points for the water tanks and positioned them to take full advantage of the VarioHeat furnace, we've also included heating pads on the 2 freshwater tanks and the grey water tank. For the plumbing underneath, we've moved most of the water lines inside the trailer and away from the cold outside temperatures and insulated everything else. We've made these design choices based on feedback from our customers and our dealers here in America. And we truly believe it's stuff like this that gets us closer to an all-seasons travel trailer than anything else on the market. Winter in the United States can be one of the best times to get out and see some amazing scenery. Now you don't have to let the cold temperatures keep you at home. When you buy a luxury trailer like the XT19HRT, you expect the sleeping situation to be top quality, and that's what we've tried to deliver with this massive queen-size island bed. There's plenty of room down each side, so you don't need to roll over your partner in the middle of the night. There's heaps of storage above the bed and even hanging storage on the sides for larger items like jackets, dressing gowns, and even dresses for those romantic nights away. Bedside storage pods are large enough to fit items such as laptops, books or chargers, and are even fitted with convenient wireless charging pads on either side of the bed. As you can see, the XT19 is not short on space or convenience. The kitchen area offers a large sink and bench space, all redesigned with modern oak timber style laminated bench tops and black matte finished sink and faucets. The inside kitchen features a Furrion 3-burner gas oven range and a 900-watt microwave, which makes cooking in all weather conditions a breeze, and is complemented with the Norcold fridge and freezer. Built-in hot water heating is ideal for washing up, and a comfortable dinette for meals and relaxing means you don't even have to go outside if the weather is a bit ordinary. The dinette also converts into a third bed if you're bringing a child or that one friend who still camps in a tent but then finds themselves freezing to death in the middle of the night. All the windows are tinted dual pane acrylic and can be opened easily to allow fresh air in. There's a fly screen that pulls down to keep the bugs out and a block-out curtain that lifts up to give you privacy and help you sleep in. While we're inside, let's talk about how to keep everything cozy and warm on those cold winter nights. The Truma VarioHeat furnace puts out 11,500 BTUs of heat per hour, but has a near silent operation. It's ducted throughout the trailer to give a nice even spread of heat, and again, because those windows are double paned and tinted, all that warmth will stay inside the trailer. A lot of other brands use glass windows, which isn't a great insulator, and that's why we've chosen dual pane acrylic. At the back of the XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme is the bathroom with toilet and separate shower. The plumbed hot and cold water, copious amounts of storage, and the large wall mirror really gives you a sense of home, and separating the shower from the toilet means you're not getting any excess water throughout the trailer. The whole bathroom can be partitioned off with this sliding door for that extra bit of privacy, and the built-in Thetford toilet has its own integrated flush tank, so in cold weather you can easily add antifreeze to the reservoir for added convenience. You've seen the internal kitchen, now let's check out the external one. It's crafted from durable stainless steel, offering plenty of storage, hot and cold water plumbed straight into the sink, a 3-burner propane hob, and plenty of space to prep food and dry the dishes. This Thetford stove pumps out so much heat that you can still cook efficiently even at high elevations. We're at Big Bear Mountain in California right now, and even at this high altitude, everything is still running smoothly. Everything out here is protected under this huge electronic awning, and one of the standard inclusions is the fully enclosed annex, giving you extra living space and protection from the elements. Now you can still cook outside in peace without worrying about inclement weather or nosy neighbours. At the front is also a fridge slide, located behind our tried and tested triple seal locks designed to keep out dust, snow and water. The XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme is the perfect luxury travel trailer with a blend of rugged toughness and modern comfort, making it your ultimate companion for off-road and off-grid adventures. And it's now available across the United States. Visit our website, linked in the description below, or head to your nearest licensed MDC USA dealer to experience one of the XT19HRT Off-Grid Extreme trailers for yourself. And if you want any more info on any of our other models in the Off-Grid Extreme range, you can check them out right here. See you next time.